So in this video, I'm going to share with you what is affiliate marketing and how you can start affiliate marketing as a beginner. So my goal with this channel is to show you various ways on how you can start making money online. It's my goal to show you how to start and grow an online business the right way, a side hustle that can help you create a side income. So making money online don't need to be that difficult. Therefore, it's my goal to show you how you can start creating more, how you can start creating a life of independence, a life of financial freedom, and a life that will help you take care of yourself, even though you are or maybe that will help you quit your 9 to 5 job. So in today's training, I'm going to be showing you what is affiliate marketing and how it works even in 2019. So if making money online is something you want to look into, and if you want to learn how to start and grow an online business, check out the link at the first link at the description below, because it's a free training that shows you how to start and grow an online business the right way. It's a 4 days blueprint that shows you how you can start making money online, how you can start making money with an online business. Basically, it's a free training by Frank Archet that shows you how to start an online business even as a newbie. And it's a free training, meaning that you don't have to pay to get access to this training. Simply check out the first link at the description below, put in your name and your email address, and you have access to the first video in the training, and the other videos will come along to you in your email address. So check out the first link at the description below to try check out this training if making money online is something you want to look into, and if you truly want to start an online business in 2019. So, and also, this training is completely free, and there's no way you're going to be paying to access this course. Neither will you be pitched on accessing any other course at the end of this training. So check out the free training, the first link at the description below for this training on how to start an online business. So with that being said, in today's video, we're going to be looking at what exactly is affiliate marketing and how you can do affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2019. Now, to start with, this diagram explains what affiliate marketing is, and to start your affiliate marketing journey, we want to understand each element of this diagram, and in this video I'm going to explain to you what each and every one of them means. So to start your affiliate marketing journey, you may want to register on a network called ClickBank. Click or any other affiliate network that allows you to start to promote products as an affiliate. So clickbank.com or any other network like this is basically a network where you register with them, and you are able to promote various products by various vendors as an affiliate, and you earn commissions for promoting these products even though you did not create or produce these products. So looking at affiliate marketing, you want to go to a site like clickbank.com or any other affiliate marketing network and register with them to be an affiliate with this site. And when you register with these networks, you would then have to choose different products in your niche. So when you are looking at affiliate marketing allows you to promote products you did not create. And even though you are promoting these products, you are not the one in charge or handling the fulfilling and the customer care involved in this product. The vendor or the product creator handles all these things. Your duty as an affiliate is to promote these products. And as you are promoting this product, you are earning commissions from promoting this product. So to make it a worthwhile effort on your side, you would want to choose about 4 or 5 affiliate marketing products in the same niche. So if you're in health niche, you want to choose different 4 or 5 different products in the health niche. If you are in the business niche, you want to choose 4 or 5 different products in the business niche. So in any niche you choose to focus on. You would want to choose about 4 or 5 products, similar products in these niches. So why we are choosing this product is that we don't want to focus on just one product. We want to focus on one niche. But while we are focusing on one niche, we want to focus on different products within this niche. So that is the first step in affiliate marketing. You want to choose different products in the same niche to promote. Now, when you have done this, the next step to do is to choose your marketing channel. How do you want to promote these products? There are basically two ways you would want to promote this product. The first is by paid advertising, and the second is by free traffic. So you want to choose which way you want to promote this product. By choosing a reliable marketing channel, you want to focus on the long term. Either you go the free route or you go the paid route. But in any route you choose, you want to choose the best marketing channel that is related for the product. For example, if you want to promote like a product in the health niche, obviously solo ads will not be a good fit for a product like that. But if you're promoting something like in the make money or internet marketing niche, you want to consider solo advertising for this kind of product. So when you get this product you want to promote, you choose the right marketing channel for each of these for the products you have chosen to promote. Now, when you have chosen the channel you want to use to promote this product, the next thing you want to do is to create a funnel for the product. So ClickFunnels is a software that allows you to build marketing funnel. So you want to use a software like ClickFunnels or any other funnel creator to create to create funnel for the product. And the funnel is basically where you offer something free in an exchange to receive your customer's email address or your prospect's email address. You are giving away something free. It could be a free report, a free video, a free PDF, or anything, or a checklist, something you want to give out for free that would be similar or related to the product you want to promote. So when you create a funnel pro- to capture leads that are interested in this product, then the last step is to follow up with them through email marketing. So when you look at it, you are going through these steps step by step to create a reliable business for yourself. So choosing the product you would want like to promote different product in the same niche is the first and foremost thing you want to do. So going to ClickBank, register on the site to be an affiliate with them. Then you choose different product in the same niche. Then after that, you want to choose the marketing channel you want to use to promote this product. And when you're done with that, you create a funnel with ClickFunnels or any other funnel creating software. You create a funnel to capture lead, name and email address for this product for the interested people that are interested in the product, so you can be able to follow them up with their email address. And in the follow up, when you always hear the statement that money is in the list. So through the follow up, if you were converting at 5% or 10% at the front end, you notice that your your percentage goes way high through the follow up series. So you want to follow up with these prospective individuals in the email address. So these are where you send them daily content, daily post, daily tips that are related to the market or to the niche you're covering. So the follow up is where you want to mostly focus your energy on so that you can be able to make more money. And why you are following them up is to allow you to recommend these products. So that is why we are choosing 4 or 5 products in the same niche. So in the follow up, you recommend these different products by using different angles to introduce these products to them. And you notice that if you can follow these 4 basic steps, you know that affiliate marketing is one of the best thing you can do, even you can do as a beginner without creating your product and without handling the customer support that are involved in this product. So get the right product, choose the right marketing channel, create the right funnel, and build the right follow up. If you can do these 4 things, you are going to succeed with affiliate marketing. So thank you for watching this video, and if you love this video, please kindly hit the subscribe kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. and also hit the bell notification button to subscribe, and hit the like button to like this video, and also check out the first link at the description below for this free 4-day blueprint that shows you how to start an online business the right way. So thank you for watching, and also I'll see you in the next video. Peace.